I am at 3942 Church Point Road, Memphis, Tennessee. It's 53 degrees. It's 12:30 p.m. 12/7/25. I am attempting the repair of the 3-tab shingles. I'm using a roof snake to break the seals. Got a hammer and a soft bristle brush to show the granule loss. This is my repair area. This is the controlled area over here. Just brushing. You can see the granules are coming off. And in the repair area also, granules coming off. So this is the shingle that I am removing with the lines on it. To remove this shingle, I'm going to have to break the seal on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other shingles. And I will start by pulling a nail out of the middle right here. And I am breaking the seal. It's already causing a little bit of tearing. Breaking the seal. And right here, breaking the seal on 5. You can see a granule loss. Breaking the seal on 4. Lots of granule loss coming out. Breaking the seal on 3. You can see where it's starting to tear using the roof snake. Breaking the seal on 2. Breaking the seal on 1. Breaking the seal on 6 and 7. I'm looking for the nails to remove. Just lifting it up to see. So removing the nails to get the shingle out. We're already having a pull through using the roof snake. The roof snake is just digging into the shingle. 1 nail removed, going just over to this side. And all I'm doing is just lifting the shingle just a little bit so I can see the nails, their location. Not creasing, not bending. So we've got a fastener pull through right here on shingle 5 to get this top shingle out. Lots of material transfer, which is going to cause knot to stick. We've got a fastener pull through, shingle just pulled through over the nail. Trying to get this nail out. Moving over to 3, just seeing where the nails are at. Another fastener pull through. You can see right here, where the nails are at. And we got one right here. Also got a fastener pull through right here using the roof snake. Lots of material transfer. See what we got holding it. Ah, this shingle is out. See, fastener pull right here, fastener pull through right here, fastener pull through right there, and right there.
All right.
What's up, my man?
Everything good. I live here.
Okay. Looking at the shingle, there is a second layer on the roof. The second layer shingle is extremely brittle, looking like it holds a lot of moisture. Let's set this one to the side. And the shingle that I am using to repair is a Owens Corning Estate Gray. Let's slide it in there. Get it lined up. And now I'm going to start nailing the nails back in. See, it's kind of tearing there. I'm not lifting any higher than 45 degrees. I have to be able to get the hammer flush in here, which is going to cause some creasing. Once again, I'm not bending, but you can see lots of material transfer. Lots of granule loss coming from the repair area. Tear there. Not bending more than 45 degrees, but I have to bend it just a little bit to be able to get the hammer to drop the nail flush. Lots of material transfer. These shingles are not going to stick again. They are going to flap when you repair it. Once again, not bending the shingle more than 45 degrees, but I have to bend it just enough to get the nail and hammer flush. It's hard to get it in there flush with there's two layers, but as you can see, there was lots of material transfer from this shingle onto the damaged shingle, which is going to cause it not to stick. Just raise it up again. As you can see, I'm not raising it up more than 45 degrees. Not more than 45 degrees, but it is causing a crease and granule loss. Lots of granule loss in the repair area. Material transfer, fastener pulls. After the conclusion of this repair test, this is a test fail. More damage will be caused to the shingles if you repair the roof. So you can see where it's not sticking anymore. These are just going to flap and cause more damage. Not sticking. And that concludes the repair video.